I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date. That prevents sync conflicts. Next, make sure you have the other Google account credentials and any 2FA device nearby, because you'll need them during sign-in. Once done, decide whether to create a separate Chrome profile or simply add the account inside the current profile for quick switching. I'll show both paths. Follow the one that matches your needs, so you get clean separation or fast access without losing bookmarks or extensions. Now you add the account. If you want separation, click the profile icon, choose Add, name the profile, pick an avatar, and optionally import data. This creates an independent browser environment. Alternatively, inside Settings under You in Google, select Add Account to keep multiple signed-in accounts within one profile. Sign in with the other account, enter the password, complete any two-factor prompts, and then choose your sync options so bookmarks, history, and extensions behave the way you expect. Finish by switching between profiles using the profile icon. You can pin the profile to the taskbar for faster access. If something goes wrong, like sync errors or missing bookmarks, make sure you are fully signed in and that two-factor prompts were completed. Then update Chrome and retry. If issues persist, clear conflicting cookies for accounts, sign out and sign back in, or remove and re-add the profile. That usually resolves lingering sync or permission problems, so you regain full access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.